Welcome back again Bitcoin World Crypto. Today we are discussing babypink.club. This is the second part of the video. In the first part of the video we knew about its vision, its mission and its ecosystem. When you click on this is introduction, vision, mission and ecosystem. We already discussed all these topics, and now we'll discuss is where it is listed. It is listed on PancakeSwap. As you can see here, pink sale, it's a token ticker. You can buy it simply with BNB. Connect your wallet with your MetaMask and then you can buy this. If I type here 0.2, with 0.2 BNB you will receive 0.98 pink sale token. So here you can buy this token, and it is already listed in PoCoin. This is the second app where you can buy this token. And now we will discuss its Pinkonomics. This is the Pinkonomics detail. Total supply, transaction tax is 15%, tax is 3-way split, reward to holder 7%, marketing wallet 5%, liquidity pool 3%. And this is the roadmap detail. Phase 1 pre-IDO, website launch, contract verified, pre-sale finalized. Phase 2 2500 holders, marketing push, DApp release, CG listing, CMC listing 10 million MC. And this is the phase 3 detail, CX listing, anti-scam scanner, swap and staking forum, advertising, charity tools 100 MILMC and Endeavor doxed. And this is the phase 4 detail. In phase 4, mainstream and Telegram group holder, NFT marketplace, merchandise store, global top 100 MC. And this is the detail how you can buy babypink. As I told you, you can buy simply through PancakeSwap. And this is the contract address. You can simply copy this address. This is the contract address. You can simply copy it and you can search this token on PancakeSwap and can buy this token. This is the contract address and you can paste it here to search this token. I already added this token. When you first time add this contract address, there will be shown a add button. Simply click on add button and the token will add into PancakeSwap, and you can buy this token with BNB. As you can see here, with 0.2 BNB you can get 0.98 pink sale token. So it is easy to buy through PancakeSwap with BNB. Join this campaign. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.